English shorthand 100 words per minute. Ready? Be start. Madam Chairman, at the very outset, I would like to thank Sri Datta, who through his private members bill introduced in this house has proposed to constitute a grains board in order to ensure protection of the crops. He has done a very good thing. The objects and reasons he has enlisted are very significant too. There is need to consider this issue there in the house. Para. Mr. Chairman, Madam, you would have observed, as you have for a long time been a members of the house, that the question of fixing pronouncement prices of farmers' produce was always raised as and when a discussion on Indian villages and farmers was held in the house. This question has arisen frequently, that there has never been as much pressure and lobbying by the farmer or the farmers' organizations in fixing the price of his produce as has been exerted by the commercial groups and institutions. It is unfortunate that the farmers' organizations were not invited and involved in fixing the prices for sugarcane, wheat, paddy, or pulses. This is the reason he has enumerated in his bill. When the farmers' crops start getting reap the apex of the paddy and wheat plants downwards with the width of the reap crop, the maize is ready for harvest. At that time, the mind of the grocer gets changed because his godowns are empty. The grocer cannot fill his coffers unless he is able to procure the food grains at cheaper rates. So, in order to loot the farmers and fill the godowns and to make profits, he sees that the prices start falling. The problem is that our governments too are handicapped to deal with the grocers and traders strongly. Until the time the produce is harvested and reaches the threshers, its prices fall much below. The board he has referred to must be constituted. Our honorable member has suggested to constitute a board at the central level, and I wish that the government should make more efforts in this direction of constituting such boards both at the central as well as the state levels. I wish that some amendment be made in regard to the suggestion of including the people as members and the chairman of the board as made by Sri Datta. He has suggested that 3 MPs, some government employees associated with agriculture and irrigation departments, and some central government officers should be included in the board. I would like to say that this should be made more comprehensive and involvement of the farmers in fixing the prices be sought.